DraftSight 2025 is a professional, feature-rich DWG design and drafting solution. Let's take a look at some of the great features that are coming in the new release, highlighted by step file import, DGN export, block structure palette, flatten command, and more. New in DraftSight 2025 is the ability to import 3D step files. Yet another way you can work with our other tools like Solidworks, CATIA, and the rest of the Dassault Systèmes portfolio. Introducing DraftSight's new DGN export capability. Now, in combination with the existing DGN import capability, DraftSight can now import and export DGN files. In 2025, DraftSight is taking custom blocks even further with support for multiple visibility elements in a single custom block. Multiple independent visibility elements in a single custom block unlocks even more drafting flexibility and efficiency inside of DraftSight. DraftSight is introducing the menu bar in all workspaces. Users no longer have to choose between a menu-based interface and a ribbon-based one, because now we have the option to always keep a menu bar at the top of our interface. Make working with nested blocks a breeze with DraftSight's new block structure palette. The block structure palette allows users to organize, preview, or isolate blocks, even if you're working with blocks inside of blocks. Introducing DraftSight 2025's new flatten command. Receive, clean up, and optimize your files with the new flatten command. In DraftSight 2025, the new Visual Style Manager lets users customize how their 3D entities are displayed in a brand new interface palette. The dim space command allows for users to automatically organize and position dimension strings with just a few clicks. In DraftSight 2025, tables are receiving multiple performance and functionality improvements. Discover the upgraded tables in DraftSight 2025. Introducing DraftSight 2025's new Dimension Style Manager. Create and edit your many dimension styles in this new efficient window. Discover more at DraftSight.com.